According to recent statistics, there are over 40 million Americans trapped in the brutal cycle of drug and alcohol addiction. Research shows all substance addictions can be treated, none more effective than medically assisted detox, followed by the right interdisciplinary treatment.
Addiction can be considered a brain disorder because of the effects that it has on the neurobiology of the brain. All right, your body basically produces opiates 4 times more powerful than morphine, and our pleasure centers in our brain, like dopamine and serotonin, these are the things that give us joy in our lives, make us feel good, lift us up. And once we start introducing outside substances, the body stops producing these things. And so the addict and the alcoholic, we're flushing those pleasure centers, and eventually we deplete those pleasure centers. And that's when the phenomenon of craving starts, where your body starts asking for those outside substances. Many individuals that struggle with addiction also struggle with mental health. And so the best way to treat addiction and mental health is to treat them together. First, to get the substance abuse under control, and then to identify what mental health conditions are underlying.
Established in 2012, All In Solutions is an industry leader in the field of drug and alcohol treatment, offering a full continuum of care across its facilities in Florida, New Jersey, and California, and delivering quality care, individualized treatment, and positive outcomes. Offering a range of programs which include faith-based, evidence-based, and trauma-focused care, All In Solutions provides individuals a chance to find purpose and connection, which brings about long-term sobriety, mental well-being, and prosperity.
Our mission is to provide evidence-based treatment that leads to long-term sobriety for each client that walks through our doors. We have a wide variety of programs that offer solutions for these individuals. It's a huge difference between the person that's coming through the doors for the first time to the person that's went to multiple different treatments, etc., and they have yet to find a different solution. We can take someone through a Christian track program, or we can take someone through a 12-step evidence-based treatment. Some individuals, chronic relapsers especially, may have stopped believing in the 12-step program, so then they find a Christian track, and the Christian track is the light that they've been missing.
Led by a group of behavioral health professionals driven by purpose, All In Solutions provides a roadmap to sobriety built on proven, evidence, and faith-based programming, delivered in a safe and supportive environment. Here you'll build and develop honest connections, repair damaged relationships, and form long-term bonds that will carry you through outside of the treatment process.
Here at All In Solutions, you're going to not only go through detoxification, but then you will be dealing with a therapeutic team that has hundreds of years of clinical experience. We also want to focus on the outpatient component, where you'll also have a case manager. We deal with job placement. We also deal with outpatient therapy, and we want to get people plugged into the community on the outside after.
Recovery is a process of change, where people improve their wellness, learn to live self-directed lives, and strive to reach their full potential. And if an individual goes all in and addresses the physical, psychological, social, and spiritual aspects of addiction, it increases their chances of sustainable recovery.
In January of 2017, I had an injury and I was prescribed painkillers. And I took those painkillers. I was in a cast for about 6 months, and I started taking them every single day. When the prescription ran out, I wanted more. And it slowly started to take hold of my entire life. I learned about All In Solutions through one of my childhood friends from my hometown, and we spoke about, maybe coming down to Florida and trying to change my life. The level of care I received here, it's an easy 10 out of 10. There's no other facility that I had been to in the past that gave me the quality of care that I received and the individual care that I received while I was a client here at All In Solutions. I've been clean and sober now since April 21st of 2020, and by being clean and being sober, I'm able to participate in my life today.
There is hope for you to recover. Being an addict and alcoholic in recovery myself, I know what it's like to feel isolated, to feel guilt-ridden, shamed, condemned, like there's no hope, but there is hope. There is help for you to break the bondage of addiction.
Moving forward at All In Solutions, it is our job to keep up with the emerging research when it comes to the clinical perspective, the medical perspective, and the mental health perspective. New ideas, and things of that nature arise every day, and it's our job to empower our staff to continue to learn and grow so that we can treat individuals to the best of our ability in order to give them the best chance at sobriety.
Recovery is about more than just abstinence. It's about creating a mentally, emotionally, and physically healthy life. Every person deserves to live a life of permanent sobriety and happiness. Make your recovery a reality. Learn more today about All-In Solutions, addiction treatment you can trust. If you need help for yourself or a loved one, go to allinsolutions.com or call 855-762-3796 for more information.